What's up guys, James with Heel Toad. We are back. Today we're taking a little bit of break from the STI. I'm out here at my mom's house. I'm going to be putting in a Gator bed cover for a 2017 F-150. It's a fairly nice retractable cover. Gator's got a real nice video on their website on how to install it. So it's pretty informative, pretty good video. So it looks fairly simple. Just get the canister on there, line up the rails. They come with clamps on there, so there's really no drilling or anything that should be required other than to lay it out there and get it up and going. Alright, so I'm going to do that, get you guys up on the time lapse, and we'll catch you later. Alright guys, so first roadblock on these, and I knew this was probably coming, is if you've got the factory Ford bed liner, their drop-in bed liner, you do have to do a little modification. So let's jump up there and I'll show you guys what you got to do. So it's fairly simple. When you drop the canister on there, you just have this part. Sorry, the allergies out here have gotten me the last 2 days. You have this part right here where you can see where it hits, and that's probably not up high enough, but I'm gonna try and just cut that, try and get a little separation so that hopefully what it'll do is just bend in around the can of the bed liner. And what I'll do is, once I get this kind of cut and going, I'll try and drop it in again, and then I'll pull it back, show you guys what it's doing, and then we'll just move on from there. Alright guys, so we got that. That was actually really easy to take care of. Let me pull this bed liner out and show you guys where you're more than likely going to have to trim if you've got this factory drop-in bed liner. Hopefully it's light enough in there. If not on this side, it will be on the other side. I just cut a line up and then cut out around this. You still have your tie down area. This will still kind of sort of snap in there. We're gonna have to pop these open anyways to run the drain tubes, and you can probably see better on this side. Just notch this area above this cap, this round cap right here that lets you tie into your tie downs. You just want to notch that, because what happens is this piece right here needs to sit in here deeper than what this drop-in bed liner allows. So you just have to trim that out. It's pretty easy. It would have gone faster if I'd had a Dremel. Felt like I had a little more control, but all I've got out here right now is a razor knife. So that cut it fairly easy. It's just a plastic rubbery kind of drop-in bed liner, so it's nothing too extreme. Alright guys, we are done throwing that Gator bed cover on there. It is really, other than modifying the drop-in bed liner that came from Ford, it is really simple. It's just some bump stops that you put in there with some Allen key bolts and then some clamps, and you just got to make sure, the big thing is just making sure that you get it even front to back as far as how wide it is, because it does you know, it can shift around, and that's what the clamps and everything are for. But like I said, I really didn't get into much of how to put that on there, just because Gator's got a great step-by-step install on their website that really just goes over everything. So it's pretty easy to do. But as you can see, I think it really just cleans up the truck. Gate drops down through some just some little tension bars in there, just so if you're hauling something small, it won't slide all the way to the back. So I'll have to clean the stickers off those at some point. But the install of this is easy. It's a great cover. It's got all the weather stripping and everything. It's got a couple drain tubes in the back, and you can see it's got the weather stripping up here to cover this. And once you lock the truck, the tailgate locks. Shut that. So the tailgate locks, and there's not really a good way short of just breaking the truck to get in there. And I figure if somebody's willing to break the truck, there's really not much I can do to keep them from getting to whatever's in the back there. Alright guys, so, man, every time I start to talk, they throw on the chainsaw or whatever it is, weed eater that they're using over there. Alright, so that is it for the 2017 Seriously. Alright, so that's it, guys, for the install of the Gator truck bed cover on the 2017 F-150 Ecoboost. I love this truck. The Ecoboost is fantastic. It's got plenty of get up and go, and then the gas mileage, 21, 22, 23 miles per gallon, and an average city and highway. The old F-150 I've got, my dad's old truck, man, I struggle to get 11 or 12 on that. So next week we'll jump back into doing some mods on the STI, trying to decide right now whether I want to go with some cosmetic upgrades, the up pipe and the external wastegate, or the sway bars from Whiteline. And thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys next time.